Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a product review video. It's been a while since I did one of these videos. First of all, before I jump into this product review video, I just wanted to explain the whole background today because I'm going to do a makeup related video. That's why I tried to find like the best lighting spot in my apartment to film this, hence the whole different in the background. I hope you guys don't mind. I got the sun shining on my face so you can see all the pores, all of my imperfection, you know, because it's a makeup video. I am going to try out the magnetic eyelashes. I got this from Amazon during the Black Friday sale and I bought them for $8 and they came in 5 pairs. If you are not familiar with the world of fake eyelashes, they're the ones that you glue them onto your lashes, so they're the most basic one. You just put the glue onto the fake eyelashes and then you pop it on top of your eyeliner. That's the one that I've been using. My issue with the glue on fake eyelashes is that they tend to get really clumpy. I usually have heavy eye makeup, and so by the end of the day when I take out my eyelashes, I would have to do a lot of cleaning in order to reuse them. Then there's this magnetic eyeliner and eyelashes kit, is that you just need to apply 1 coat of the magnetic eyeliner and then you pop the magnetic eyelashes on and then it will just immediately attach just like that. So I'm very excited to try this out. I've seen people do it online and it looks pretty bizarre and in a good way. Like, it looks pretty magical, I guess. I'm really excited to try this out. If you wanted to see how I put them on and how it performed throughout the day and see if it's really worth it, then keep on watching. Okay, so here's what it looks like. Open up. Oh, ta-da. They came in 5 different pairs. Actually, I thought they were all the same, but they're actually different. So I think it comes like the bottom one is like the most natural, and all the way up top is like, you know, your most glam. I think I'm gonna go with something in the middle today. It does come with this how to use instruction paper, so to kind of show you a step-by-step process of how to put it on. The product came with a tweezer, a magnetic eyeliner, so you need to apply this first in order for the eyelashes to stick onto your eyeliner. So right here it says, before use, shake the liner pen and press the tail button until it clicks. Wait for 10 to 15 minutes to make sure the liner infiltrates the tip. Okay, so here's the pen. Oh, so okay, so this is what it looks like. The tip is actually white. Okay, I'm a little bit confused when I see this tip, but I think the eyeliner will come in pigment, which means that when you shake it and the ink comes all the way to the tip, then it will become black eyeliner. So let me just shake it. I think you're supposed to shake it like this. I'm looking at the instruction now. Okay, and then press the button at the tip of the pen right here. Did it click? I'll just click it one more time. Oh, okay, here's the click. Oh, okay, I can hear it now. I'll wait for 10 minutes and then open the lid. Hey Siri, set the alarm for 10 minutes.
Your alarm is set for 3:56 p.m.
I think it's just a one-time thing. So next time when you do it, you probably don't have to do this. As you can see, I haven't put on any mascara or whatsoever. I haven't even put on like eyeliner. And actually before, I'm just gonna pop some eyeliner just in case that their eyeliner didn't come with as much pigment as I would like. Just gonna apply my regular eyeliner while waiting and then go back with this magnetic eyeliner on top of it. So I just apply a thin coat of eyeliner right here. I'm not gonna do anything too crazy today. Alright, so I think this is even. As you can see, I'm really lacking in the eyelashes department. I'm so jealous with people who are born with long eyelashes. My lashes are so short, so that's why I have to wear eyelashes, and it literally changed everything. Like, I feel like since I start wearing eyelashes, it just upped my eye makeup a lot. So that's why I've been wearing them more and more often. It used to take me a long time just to put on the glue on eyelashes, but I think the more you practiced, the faster you get at applying them. So hopefully with this magnetic eyelashes, it won't be too bad. Oh my god, I think I just made like a really weird face while applying this mascara. Let me know if you also make a weird face while applying mascara, because I always make the weirdest face while doing makeup. So I'm done with applying the eyeliner and the mascara on top of my eyelashes. Now we just wait for this to be ready, and then I can finally put on the magnetic eyelashes. Okay, so 10 minutes is up, and that actually wasn't too bad. Like, while waiting, I did my eyeliner and curl my eyelashes, put on mascara, and so now we're ready to try this on. Let me just open it up. Oh my gosh, like, it's, oh wow. At the beginning of the video, the tip was white, and now after you shake it, the product came all the way down to the tip, and now it became black, just like a regular eyeliner. I'm gonna apply it on top of my eyeliner right now, and we'll see how easy it is to apply it. My strategy right now is that I'm applying a very thick coat like at the center of my eye, so really focusing on this part all the way down to here, because I know that's where the eyelashes will go. I won't go all the way, you know, out here like a regular eyeliner, because obviously the eyelashes is not gonna go there. So I'm just gonna go like right here. I think that's where I want the eyelashes to stay. Really go in with a thick coat to make sure that the eyeliner is enough for the eyelashes to stick on. Now that I'm done applying this eyeliner on the other side, I have some first impression. First of all, this eyeliner is super easy to use. I didn't know what to expect, but when I apply the eyeliner, it was really easy to draw, and so that's a huge plus. It's just like a regular felt tip eyeliner. Let me see if this side is dry. Yeah, it's really hard to tell to see if it's dry or not. While waiting, I'm gonna take the middle pair using their tweezer. I wonder why they use a metal tweezer, because I don't know if it's gonna be hard to apply it on because it's magnetic. So this part is sticky, just like a glue-on fake eyelashes, which I don't know how I feel about it, because at the beginning I didn't think that it was gonna be sticky, because if it's sticky then it would still cling onto my makeup again. I'm a little bit disappointed that there's still some glue here. I wonder if it'll fit my eye. It looks kind of long right here, but hopefully I don't have to trim it. Of the moment of truth, I'm gonna apply this. I think this side is dry by now, so I'm gonna apply this. Whew. Okay, see if the magic will happen. I'm gonna start with the inner corner of my eyes and then work my way out. Okay. What is it sticky? Okay, I can feel, okay, it's sticking right now. Let me see if the all right, they're in. It wasn't too bad. Oh my gosh. Here is how it looks like on. I would have to say that it was a fast application process, and the thing that I like about it is that because it's magnetic, it's less messy than the glue on. Whoa. So you do feel like a magnetic hole, which is kind of crazy. Oh my god, can you see it? Like, can you see the magnetic pull when I apply these on? Like, oh my gosh. I think they're on. Wow. This, I don't know what to say, but this is what it looks like on my eye. These, I'm just kind of speechless right now because this is actually a game changer. I'm kind of obsessed with these eyelashes, and they fit my eye perfectly. I didn't have to trim anything. It looks so natural, so pretty. Yeah, like, oh my gosh. Oh. 10 out of 10. I can't believe this. And like, I can feel that they're really secured too, so. Oh wait, oh shoot, this tip. One thing that I hate about fake eyelashes is that the inner corner of your fake eyelashes always come undone at the end of the night. I wonder if I apply enough product. I think I did in that part, so I wonder why it's coming undone. I just fixed it and now they're on, like they're like normal now. Okay. Hopefully it won't come undone again. I'll film a check-in video at the end of the night to see if they're still on. Well, right now is 4:09 p.m. I'm gonna check in later tonight to see how they're performed throughout the night. But so far it looks really good. I think I'm so in love with this product, this magic eyeliner kit. I don't know what the brand's called. I'm gonna include a Amazon link in the description box, so feel free to come check it out if you wanted to try this. I bought it with the Black Friday deal discount. I don't know if there's still a discount going on, but when I got this, it only cost like $8 or something for 5 pairs. So I'm really happy with the price. The eyeliner, it was really easy to apply. I kind of wanted to see if it will dry out after a while. And the pigment really came out. Like, there's definitely pigment in this eyeliner as well, which I'm really happy. These lashes are so pretty, and the fact that it came in 5 different styles, so you can kind of pick and choose which one you wanted to wear depending on what your makeup looks like that day. I don't like this tweezer very much if I have to be really nitpicky about it. This is not the best tweezer. It's kind of long, which I think it's a little bit hard to hold. It's just like your regular tweezer for your eyelashes. I think I'll be using this one or my hand just because I think it's like a little bit easier to handle. If you're someone who wear fake eyelashes, go get on Amazon and buy this thing ASAP because they are so worth it. Like, they're really worth the purchase. That's the end of my video. I hope you enjoyed this. Until next time, bye. So right now is 12:16 a.m. It's been a good 8 hours, and here's my makeup. And you can see it's like all greasy. The lashes are still on, I think. I mean, I didn't do anything too crazy. I didn't like go dancing or whatever, but they're still on. Just how I apply it. I just wanted to show you how it looks like after long hours. I'm gonna go to bed and take all this off, but thanks for watching.